Let's learn how to quickly apply a oil painting effect to any image in Photoshop. I'm looking at the notes that accompany this video, and in the instructions is a link to download the effect. I'll save this to my downloads directory. In my Finder window, I have my downloads directory, and I'm going to unzip the resulting file I just downloaded. And then within the folder, we're looking for oil painting effect.psd. And the first layer is a smart object. That's where we're going to place our image. So double click the icon for that layer. This will open up a separate file where we're going to place our image. So going back to my downloads folder, I have a couple example images to work with. I'm just going to take one of them and drag it over to my canvas. Then click the check mark to place that image. Then I'm going to go to File, Save, to save my changes to the smart object. And then return to the original PSD file where we can see that the oil painting effect was applied. And there's two different versions. So right now we're looking at version 1. If we toggle the visibility of that layer off, we'll see version 2, which just has a slightly blurrier effect. There's less defined strokes. If you want to fine tune any of the effects, if you click the down arrow for the different versions, you can see the various filters that are being applied. And if you double click any of them, it'll bring up an option window for that particular filter, and you can play around with the values. One last thing I want to talk about is what to do if the image you're working with is a different size than the canvas of this template. For example, let's go back and edit our smart object. I'm going to delete this first example image and bring in a different one. The second one is much larger, and it's also in a portrait orientation, so you can see we've got blank space to the left and the right. So to work with this, the first thing I want to do is set this image to be 100%. So up top, I want to make sure the link icon is clicked so I can change my width to 100%, and it'll also make the height 100%. And now you can see it's overflowing the canvas, which is fine for right now. We're going to click the check mark to place that image. And then if we go to Image Reveal All, it's going to expand our canvas to match the size of that image. So I'm just going to zoom out so we can see everything. So let's save the changes to our smart object. This will take a little bit longer because it is a much larger image. And then we'll return to our main template file. And we could see that the effect was applied, but we're still seeing a cropped canvas. So once again, we'll go to Image, Reveal All, give it a moment to render. And there we go. We can see the oil painting effect applied to the full size of our high-res image.